So this is the conditioner I'm using. I'm using like Quench. Oh my god. After having these mini braids in for a month, I don't think I want to do mini braids like back to back to back to back, and I'll explain why. So I just feel like in terms of mini braids, right, they take a while to put in and they also take a while to take out. So I don't want to spend all that time putting the mini braids in and then have to take it out after 2 weeks, even though I still want to wash my hair every 2 weeks, right? Because I feel like that's what personally works for me. So I feel like a good like compromise to that is I do the mini braids, leave them in for a month like I've done this time. Maybe leave them in for a month like I've done this time, because I feel like my hair's really dry right now. But then after taking out the mini braids, then I switch to mini twist and I leave the mini twist in for 2 weeks. Because if you remember from my last video, I was like, guys, if you leave your hair in mini twist and you wash it constantly, like let's say you leave your hair in mini twist 1 week, 2 weeks, then you wash it, then you leave it again, then you wash it, like I feel like that's just a recipe for disaster. I feel like especially for twists, like your hair will twist around each other and like start to mat up and lock up and everything, and that's not really good for the health of your hair. Meanwhile, I feel like with mini braids you can do that because braids keep your hair more stretched, and I feel like it's just more flexible than twists, honestly. Anyway, in the spirit of me trying to take care of my hair and everything, I have my spray bottle and I have some conditioner in here. So I'm just going to, and it's warm water and conditioner. So I'm just going to spray my hair and start taking down the braids. Okay, so this is the conditioner I'm using. Hello. It's the Anjaki's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. And honestly, ooh, damn, I do have the Design Essentials like leave-in conditioner and I feel like it really works well for my hair, but I feel like that is just too expensive to be using, so I just decided to use this one instead. I used the Design Essentials for the section I did in the back. Oh god, I just sprayed that in my eye. The section I did in the back yesterday, and it was pretty good, but yeah, like I said, I think it's more expensive than this one that I'm using, so I'm like, yeah, might as well just do that. Okay, so voiceover Jade here. As I said before, like I've sprayed my hair with water and leave-in conditioner, and I'm taking my time as I'm taking down each braid. And even after I take down each braid, I'm lightly finger detangling to remove any shed hairs. After I finish with this section, I'm just twisting it up to keep it stretched for the pre-shampoo stage. So during your takedown, you might notice single strand knots as I did here. Just make sure you're not like ripping through your hair. Just take your time to kind of like separate the strands from each other and just try to just detangle. Sometimes you might need to add more water or conditioner or oil to make it easier to take apart. And if all else fails, just grab a pair of scissors and cut it off. It's better than just ripping your hair. It's now time for one of my favorite steps, pre-shampooing. And to do that, I'm just wetting my hair before I go in with the African Pride aloe and coconut water detangle and condition pre-shampoo. I feel like this is one of my favorite products ever because every time I use it, it just gets my hair right. Like here, my hair was really dry, and as you can see, like once I put the product in and just kind of massage it in a little bit, like I'm able to detangle my hair with literally no resistance. Like it's just falling apart, like it's giving tenderism. Anyway, I'm just continuing on the same way with the rest of the sections. So I start by spraying it with water, and then I kind of like massage the water in before I go in with the detangling pre-shampoo. I love how each section literally shows you low porosity hair in action. Like I'm spraying my hair with water and it's just like I don't see the water. The water is not going anywhere until you rub me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm falling off. And yeah, because I'm a low porosity girly, as you guys see, I usually tend to pre-shampoo with heat. So then I just put on a plastic cap, actually a couple of plastic caps, and then I put on a heating cap so that I can get the pre-shampoo to penetrate into my strands before I attempt to detangle. Okay, this is so funny, but I was literally out of frame the entire time I attempted to shampoo my hair because I decided that I do not want to stand and shampoo my hair and create all that messy water and things on the floor because I was trying to film it. So yeah, my apologies guys. Anyway, moving on. Oh, and I used the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo with Mafura oil and Manuka honey. Okay, so it's time for my actual favorite step, and I'm using the As I Am Hydration and Elation Deep Conditioning Mask. And I'm doing this because, like I've mentioned like probably a couple of times in this video, my hair was really dry, so I just felt like I needed like a hydrating wash day routine. Okay, so I'm just applying deep conditioner and like trying to evenly coat it on my strands. But I kind of wanted to also just talk to you guys about why I decided to film this wash day routine. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've recorded many wash day routines. But for this particular one, I just wanted to see what the hair loss was like. Hair loss or shedding or breakage or whatever, what I would experience after having my hair in mini braids for a month. I just wanted to see, because a lot of times, you know, you hear, okay, mini braids is a great way to retain length, it's a good protective style and everything, but then it's like, is it really? And then sometimes you never know until you try it for yourself. So that was the aim with me recording this wash day. I just wanted to see like, okay, what is the shedding going to look like after I've had these in? Feel like, will I be doing this again? That is kind of the vibe I was going for. And it's not like I've never done mini braids before. I have, but I never really just like paid attention to those things. And I don't think I've ever been on a journey like I am now where I say, okay, I'm not going to use any added hair. I'm going to just attempt to be doing styles with just my hair. So yeah, everything is kind of like just a test and just being very practical, especially for people that may just be starting out in their natural hair journey or wanting to make changes as well. I'm kind of like the scapegoat for you guys, so you're welcome. Okay, so it's time to detangle, and honestly, after watching back some of these clips, I'm like, is it time to go back to finger detangling? Or maybe not go back to, but just alternating on wash days between finger detangling and using a brush. Or maybe it's just the brush that I have, I don't know, but I feel like it was just a little bit painful this time around. And I don't know what it is with me and single strand knots, but it seems that I get them quite often. Okay, so this is the next day, and I just wanted to show you guys the shedding that I got from taking out my mini braids, and also I'll show you the shedding that I got from the pre-shampoo process, like that detangling process. And then this is the shedding from deep conditioning, or like detangling after a deep condition. Honestly, I don't think the shed was too bad because according to research, we lose like 50 to 100 strands of hair per day. Given that the mini braids were in for a month, I was like, okay, this is not too bad. On camera though, it looks crazy, but naturally, like, I don't think it's too bad. I also think that the shedding reducing with each stage was a good sign. So after taking down the mini braids, like obviously that's where I get the most shed hairs because they've been trapped in there for a month. And then pre-poo helped me to get some more of those shed hairs. And then by the time I deep conditioned and detangled, it was really not too much hair there. Okay, on to moisturizing my hair, and I'm using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. So I kind of just got this at random, and I used it I think 1 or 2 times when I had my mini braids in, and I never really thought to like record a video about my thoughts on the leave-in conditioner. So if anybody wants to know my thoughts or how it held up, let me know in the comments, and then I can do like a review, or I can even do a comparison with like another leave-in conditioner and see how they both like hold up maybe after a week or so, and see which one is actually worth buying. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't going to be blow drying, but I am blow drying this time around, and I'm using the Color Wow heat protecting spray because I'm sort of preparing for my next protective style, which I wanted to show you guys in this video, but I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to end up moving it to next week's video. But in the meantime, I do want to style my hair for church tomorrow, so I'm just going to do that before I end today's video. My hair is definitely still in need of recovery, but I feel like it looks much better than the last time I blow dried it, which is saying something, but it's okay. I'm gonna get it together this year. So for my hair, I'm just doing a couple of zigzag flat twists in the front with some little tendrils, and then I'm going to do like a twisted puff at the top. It will make sense in a second. Okay, so I'm taking out my hair from the bands they were in because I needed like maximum stretch for this style, and I'm just going to put my hair in a puff before going ahead with the rest of the style. Okay, so now that I have my puff, which the ends look really sad, I'm just twisting up the ends to go ahead and make my twisted puff style. So I split my hair into 4 sections, and then I twist up each of the ends of those 4 sections. Okay, so now for the next part, I'm just going to use some bobby pins and pin those twisted sections in the front across from each other. And then I kind of just grab the ends of the 2 back sections and then I pin them in the middle of my puff, just because I don't have as much hair at the back as I do at the front. For the 2 flat twists in the front, I just take a couple more bobby pins and I pin them towards the back of my hair. Okay, so I slightly changed my hair from how it was this morning. I think I pinned it across before, but then I felt like the back was kind of scanty, so I just kind of reconfigured it. But I also wish I kind of straightened these pieces, because as you can see they have kind of shriveled up and stuff, because I put some curling cream and gel on it, so they kind of poofed up and shriveled up. And also, yeah, you guys know, I probably know that I went to church, so I just got back from church and it was kind of like there's a lot of dancing going on, so it was hot and so everything's kind of poofy. But yeah, anyway, and hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully that's something that I can keep doing, like just sharing what my styles are, given that I said I'm going to try to stay away from what's it called, from actually putting like extensions in my hair. I'm not against wigs or anything, because I feel like I just want to rejuvenate my crown area. Even this style that I did, like there's literally no tension because I didn't pull anything tight, because I was like, I actually cannot deal with any kind of inflammation or any kind of pain. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like, a thumbs up. Also, you can leave a comment telling me what you liked or telling me things that you think I should try next time, and you can also subscribe. I think the numbers have been growing slowly but surely, but please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time.